Continuing this grip installation right here, you're going to finalize by putting your bar ends back on. I usually recommend that you use Loctite for this, but I have a very picky customer here, so he changes his mind every day.
That's not true. He just doesn't want to give me the last bit of Loctite he's got.
Definitely not. I'm going to take the space
Yo, if
out.
you put Loctite, though, it won't move and shit. I just wish we could hammer this in a little harder so I could close that gap. You know?
That's going to be tough.
Let's see if we can adjust the inside part of this.
Watch out. It's at its end, I think, because there is a spacer in there. Rubber Craftsman. Can't go wrong.
Whoa. It's not moving.
That's all we can do, big guy. There's a lip in there.
If you take out all the washers,
So
even that little one, take it out.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that a bad idea?
Well, we can take it out.